Hello, everybody. Hey, Nikki Victorious. Hey, Dionne, the bird of paradise. You don't know. Happy birthday, big up yourself. Thank you very much. Happy birthday to me, Dionne, the bird of paradise. Happy birthday. Let's everybody, the Fire One Bad Man family. Let's wish her a happy birthday. So big up yourself. Thank you. Here at every love. Yes, Fire One Bad Man. Fire One Bad Man. Yes. You enjoying yourself so far? Yes, I'm enjoying myself so far. This is the end of the month for me. My birthday was March 19th, but I'm celebrating it tonight with my good girlfriend, Miss Nikki Victoria Vibes. Yes. You guys already know your girl Nikki Victorious Vibes. Make sure you guys subscribe. Wishing her a happy birthday. We are here every long weekend Sunday. Yeah. Party superstar. Big up, Big Solid Butler. We are here. You guys stay tuned for more. Big up. For sure. Big up. Big up. Big up.